the match in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 7776 is successfully unlatched from the lander. 750 sounds like they're struggling. 7776 moves the gold mineral off the sampling field and successfully seems to get into that depot. Ooh, they've dropped their marker. That's pretty good. 750 getting into the corner, dropping their marker in the depot and going straight for the crater. 6712 and 8949 haven't moved off that.
Driver,
we're moving on to the transition from the autonomous phase to teleop.
3, 2, 1.
And we begin. 8949 is trying to get off that lander. 7776 is rearranging to start getting some of those balls from the sampling field into their corner depot. 750 set up on the corner. They might go for getting some minerals over there. It looks like they're rearranging their sampling field into the depot. 8612 is starting to move a number of minerals into their depot as well. 8949 seems to be having some technical issues. Oh, they managed to escape from the lander. 8612 going to move more minerals into the corner with 750. The Blue Alliance has a pretty strong number of minerals in that corner. Ooh. 8949 seems to be set up and fixated on that corner crater. Ooh, 6712 and 7776 clashing in the corner near the blue crater. It looks like 7612 is failing to get around. It's hard to tell. Ooh, 750 gets another mineral in as 8949 scores 2 gold minerals into the red side of the lander. 8949 is going to collect more gold minerals out of their crater so they can score it into the lander. There's a bit of conflict going on over in the Blue Alliance's depot as 8949 scores another pair of gold minerals into the depot, or the lander. 7612 stuck in the corner, it looks like. It looks like they're trying to de-score. Ooh, and that brings us into the end game. Oh, 8949 gets a mineral stuck on the top of the lander. That's harsh. 750 and 7776 seem to be contacting each other. Oh, that's another pair of gold in for the Red Alliance. 8949 setting up to latch with 7612. Oh, 7612 fails to latch on their first try. Let's see if they can go at it again. 7776 getting set up to latch. It looks like they're hooked on and they're pulled up. 7612, and that's endgame. Oh, and it looks like we have the results for qualification match number 1. And that's the Red Alliance taking the win with a lot of endgame points there.